Hey guys, so I have homework number 2, problem 8A, 7-8A, and we're going to be preparing a monthly cash budget for January and February. As you can see, we have all of our information here. We'll be using all of this information to plug into our cash budget here. So we're going to start off with our beginning cash balance. Up here it says that the company's cash balance on January 1, 2017 is expected to be $47,400. So that will be our beginning cash balance for January. The next thing we'll do is we'll add in all of our cash receipts, which would be collections from customers. So that would be for January $328,100. Sales of securities, we didn't have any for the month of January. And our notes receivable, which is $18,400. Now we're going to total all of those up and to get our total receipts, and that equals $346,500. Next we'll do is our total available cash. Our total available cash is our total receipts plus our beginning cash, which gives us a total of $393,900. Then we will subtract out all of our cash disbursements. So we had purchases on for January was $111,400. We had selling expenses that were $79,000. Administrative expenses, we started out with $71,000, but in our readings up here it tells us that there is a $1,200 depreciation per month that we need to subtract from the administrative expenses. So $71,000 minus $1,200 is $69,800. Then we do our salaries was $84,600, and then we had dividends, and for the month of January there was no dividends. So for our total disbursements, we add up all of those, and we get $344,800. Now we need to find out our excess of available cash. It is our total available cash, which is $393,900, minus our total disbursements, $344,800, which gives us a total of $49,100. Now, since this is over the amount of what our company wants to maintain as a minimum cash balance, which is $45,910, we do not need to borrow or anything like that. So this $49,100 becomes our ending cash balance, and it also becomes our beginning cash balance for the month of February. So then for February, you do the same thing, and you just add in all your cash receipts, and you total them, and then you get your total available cash, which is total receipts plus beginning cash. So you now have $432,800. You subtract out all of your purchases, or not purchases, I'm sorry, your disbursements, and then that gives you a total of $398,300. And then you solve for your excess, which is your total available cash, $432,800, minus your total disbursements, $398,300, gives you a total of $34,500. Now this number is lower than where we want to maintain our minimum cash balance. So we need to borrow the difference. So we subtract $45,910 minus $34,500, which gives us $11,410. That's how much we will be borrowing. And then our ending balance is our excess plus our borrowing, and that's our ending balance. If you have any questions, post them on the board, and hopefully everything goes well. See ya!